All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and you already know we into football season, so we gotta go into our appetizer bag. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make cheesy Parmesan mozzarella bacon bites. Man, get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have our mozzarella cheese, freshly shredded Parmesan cheese here, 2 eggs, we have bacon, garlic powder, smoked paprika, red chili flakes, black pepper, seasoned salt, some Italian seasoning, some panko breadcrumbs, melted butter, and we have flour here. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is a quick and easy recipe, guys. It's gonna move by fairly quickly, which is a good thing. So we're gonna start off by adding our mozzarella cheese to this bowl, along with our Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna get this baby mixed up, just so it's evenly distributed. We're gonna start forming our balls. Pause. All right. Next, we're gonna go in with our flour, our breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, our seasoned salt, our black pepper, our red chili flakes, our smoked paprika, our garlic powder, and our chopped bacon. We're gonna do the same with this. We're gonna mix this until it's evenly distributed before we add the remaining of our ingredients. And if you wanna go in with your hands, you definitely can do that. All right, that looks pretty good. So next you're gonna add your eggs. Make sure you beat them before you add them. And we're gonna add our melted butter. Now you can substitute that for olive oil if you want to, it's totally up to you. And we're gonna mix this until it forms a sticky type dough. All right, that's what we have. So now let's bring over our baking sheet and start laying our bites onto our baking sheet. All right, so now we have our baking pan right here, lined with parchment paper. We have our Parmesan mixture over here. We're gonna take a scoop, just like a tablespoon, and we're gonna scoop that baby out of there like this, put it in our hand like that, kind of just roll it up into a small ball like this. And we're gonna place it right here on the side, just like that. We're gonna do another one. And we want these babies to be about 1 inch apart, kind of like that. So we're gonna finish the rest of them and see how many we can get out of this particular recipe. Now that we have all our Parmesan bites placed on our baking sheet, we've already got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna stick them in there for 12 to 15 minutes. We're gonna turn the pan and we're gonna rotate the pan halfway through the cooking process. So let's go ahead and grab these. So let's go ahead and place them in our oven. So this is what we have after 15 minutes in our oven. So we're gonna let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, then get it plated up and head to quality control. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy Parmesan mozzarella bacon bites. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because we gotta do a taste test. Let's go. All right, so you already know it's the favorite part of the show. We're gonna bring these groceries or these little grocery bites to the front of the congregation. Man, these babies looking good over here. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and grab me one of them real quick. Man, let's see what this baby about right here. Oh man, the addition of the bacon. Oh man. Listen, those babies are delicious. The perfect appetizer on game day. Has a little bit of heat, that's what I like to them. Of course, you can leave the chili flakes out, but I love it. It steps up that flavor profile. So guys, until the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. and I'm out. Peace.